So it's raining out. Lights, camera, action. We don't care. We got a garage now. It can rain. It's exciting. Well, that's not really the purpose of this short video. Purpose of this short video is JK BJs. That's right, the JK ball joints. So, I can't switch. Check it out. The upper ball joint, right? When you go to press it in, this is a Dynatrack, but it's the same thing on a 30 and 44. You can see the upper ear tapers out, and you know, when you get the this right, this needs to be in line with, but then so that's standard ball joint press. We went and located River went and located this pipe bench grinder, right? So now there you go, you're right in line, right? So you can press that in at the right angle. Major help, other people have you shimming it with pry bars and such. If you got a bench grinder, just grind a pipe. It's way easier. Way, way, way easier and much safer. So there you go.